You work hard. You wake up early. You sacrifice your comfort. But still, money feels like it's always running away from you. Let me ask you something uncomfortable. What if the reason you're not rich has nothing to do with how smart you are? What if it's about how you think? Stay with me, because this video might explain your entire financial life. Most people watching this video belong to the middle class, not poor enough to get help, not rich enough to feel safe. You earn money, but it disappears. Salary comes in, bills go out. EMIs, rent, groceries, family responsibilities, and at the end of the month, you ask yourself, where did my money go? You see people earning less than you, but living better than you. You see others taking risks, starting businesses, investing early, and somehow winning. Meanwhile, you follow the rules, study hard, get a job, work honestly. Yet financial peace feels far away. And slowly, silently, something dangerous happens. You start blaming yourself. I'm not good with money. Money is not for people like me. Rich people are lucky. But the truth is far more painful. Nobody taught us how money actually works. Nobody taught us that money is emotional, that money decisions are psychological, that behavior matters more than intelligence. And that's where this story begins. There is a book that doesn't teach you how to pick stocks. It doesn't give you formulas. It doesn't promise overnight riches. Instead, it explains why smart people make stupid money decisions. The book is The Psychology of Money, written by Morgan Housel. This book matters today more than ever because we live in a world of social media pressure, fake success, comparison, and constant fear of missing out. This book solves one big life problem: why people who earn more don't always become rich, and why people who understand their emotions often do. This is not a book about money, it's a book about human behavior. And once you understand this, your entire relationship with money changes. Lesson 1. Being good with money has nothing to do with being smart. Some of the smartest people in history went broke, and some average people quietly became wealthy. Why? Because money is not about IQ. It's about behavior, how patient you are, how calm you stay when markets fall, how disciplined you are when everyone else is spending. Imagine two people. One earns a high salary but spends everything to look successful. The other earns less but saves consistently and avoids debt. After 20 years, guess who wins? Money rewards discipline, not brilliance. You don't need to be a genius. You need to control your emotions. Lesson 2. Luck and risk are always involved, but we ignore them. We love success stories. We hate talking about failure. When someone becomes rich, we say, they worked hard, they were smart, but we ignore luck. Being born in the right country, meeting the right person, being in the right industry at the right time. At the same time, we judge failures harshly without understanding the risks they faced. This lesson teaches humility. Don't blindly copy others. Their journey had luck you can't repeat and risks you can't see. Focus on what you can control. Lesson 3. Wealth is what you don't see. This is one of the most powerful ideas. The expensive car you see on the road, that's not wealth. The luxury phone, not wealth. The big house, not always wealth. Real wealth is invisible. It's the money saved, the investments growing quietly, the freedom to say no. True wealth is having control over your time. But society teaches us the opposite. It teaches us to spend money to look rich. and that's how people stay broke. Stop chasing appearances. Start building freedom. Lesson 4. Save money without a specific goal. Most people say, I'll save when I earn more. I'll invest when life becomes stable. But life never becomes stable. There is always a reason not to save. Saving is not about buying something later. It's about buying peace today. Saving gives you options. Saving gives you confidence. Saving gives you power. You don't save leftover money. You save first. Even small amounts matter. Consistency beats size. Lesson 5. Compounding is powerful, but requires patience. Everyone loves fast money, quick profits, shortcuts, get-rich-quick schemes. But real wealth grows slowly, very slowly. Compounding works when you stay invested for a long time, not when you jump in and out. The hardest part of compounding is not math, it's waiting. The people who win are not the ones who earn the highest returns. They are the ones who stay in the game the longest. Time is your greatest financial asset. Lesson 6. You only need to be right once. You don't need to win every time. You don't need to catch every opportunity. Most successful investors made a few great decisions and avoided big mistakes. Avoiding disaster is more important than chasing returns. Don't take risks that can destroy you. Survival comes first. Growth comes later. Lesson 7. Contentment is the ultimate financial skill. More money will not fix a lack of contentment. If you are never satisfied, no amount will be enough. The ability to say enough is the secret weapon. Enough spending, enough comparison, enough pressure. Money should serve your life, not control it. Start doing this. Understand your emotions around money. Save before you spend. Think long term. Focus on freedom, not status. Stop doing this. Stop comparing your life to social media. Stop spending to impress people. Stop chasing quick money. Stop thinking you're bad with money. Simple actions. Track your spending honestly. Build an emergency fund. Invest consistently. Be patient. You don't need perfection. You need progress. Your past money mistakes do not define you. Your income does not define you. Your starting point does not define you. Your mindset does. The moment you stop treating money as a competition and start treating it as a tool, everything changes. Wealth is not about being flashy. It's about being free. And freedom starts in the mind. If you want more powerful book summaries that can change your financial mindset, subscribe to Mrwealthguide and start building real wealth, not just motivation. This channel is not about hype, it's about transformation. Your future self will thank you. Stay patient, stay disciplined, and stay focused, because wealth is a journey, and you've just taken the first real step.